Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithchar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. I have a great project to share, this little basket. But before we get started on our project, I just want to point out this week's winner is Adhesive. Now, I'm not sure if I'm saying your name right. Forgive me if I'm not. I'm not sure if that's your real name, your given name, or a nickname, or a name you just picked out for YouTube. But you are this week's winner. You have until Wednesday the 21st, 2018 to get in touch with me via email, and I can send you your little goodie bag. So this is what we're going to need for today's project. Some of the supplies I'm using some pink pirouette. This is 6" by 6". I have a 1/2 inch by 7 inch, and this is for the handle. I have some Dazzling Diamonds glimmer paper. I have my bone folder, my multi-purpose liquid glue. We've got our paper snips and a stapler. So I'm going to bring in my Stampin' trimmer because we need to do some scoring. And we are going to score this at 1 7/8. 1 7/8, and we need to score this at 4 1/8. We are going to rotate it and do the exact same measurements. 1 7/8 and 4 1/8. On these two opposite sides, we need to do some additional scoring, but we need to stop at that horizontal score line. Okay, so, and again, if you miss any of these measurements, they will be over on my website, www.stampwithchar.com. So we need to score this at 5/8. I'm going to score that at 5/8. We're going to score this at 1 1/4. We're going to score this at 4 3/4. And we're going to score this at 5 3/8. We are going to rotate this 180 and repeat the exact same measurements. So 5/8 of an inch, 1 1/4, 4 3/4, and 5 3/8. Now we need to do some trimming. We are going to cut up all these score lines until we get to that horizontal on each side. So this side and that side, we're going to cut up all those score lines we just made. Now, what I should have said was, at the 3-inch mark, we need to make a little tick mark there, and the same on the other side. So where we made all these little score marks, we're going to make a 3-inch tick mark, and on the opposite side where we have all those score marks, we're going to make a 3-inch mark. Okay. Cut up all our score lines. Then where you made those 2 tick marks, you're going to cut diagonal. So you're making like a triangle, and you're going to do the same on the opposite side. Okay, so you've got all these little fringy pieces, your triangle. Now we're going to fold and burnish. What you're going to do now is you're going to take these two end pieces and you're going to start bringing them together. You're going to just start gathering them. Like so. And you're going to try and get it nicely on each side. And then you're going to bring that triangle piece up. You're going to take your stapler. You're going to give it a staple and you're going to repeat that on the other side. You're going to take your handle, and this is the 1/2 inch by 7, and you're going to curl it like ribbon. I have my multi-purpose glue. And you want to attach the handle to the basket, covering up the staple. I'm just going to hold it there for a second. I have my 1 3/8 inch circle punch. I'm going to punch out 2 of these Dazzling Diamonds glimmer paper, and I'm going to go ahead and attach it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you guys are in the US and you wanted to purchase anything of the products that I used in today's video, they will be linked in the description below. I will also have a detailed written description over on my website at www.stampwithshah.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so if you don't see a post or a video from me on YouTube, I do have pictures that I do on my blog. So go there, leave me some comments. Every time you comment, you will be entered into the draw. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.